I have one more Snow Globes palette that I haven't yet taken for a test run. This is a Peacock palette. So this is what it looks like inside. So today I'm going to be using this and creating a holiday look. Let's dive in. Switching over to voiceover, prepping and priming my face with the Lancome Teint Idole foundation and concealer. Then priming my eyes with About Face Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, time for the palette, but first an obligatory sniff test. Going to first go in with Reindeer Games and apply that as a foundational base shade over my lids. Now dipping into Calling Birds and concentrating that on the outer edges to create a smoked out effect. Okay, now going into the shimmers, 5 rose gold rings with my finger and applying that to the inner thirds. So this one is more pigmented than the other Snow Globes palette, I must say, but I'm still packing it on because it's still not as pigmented as I would like it to be. Okay, now going in with Nice List and just packing that on top of the copper, and it's creating some more shimmer, so I like that effect. Okay, I also decided to go in with Turtle Dove and pack that on top of Calling Birds just to see if it would do anything, but it's not really doing much. I was just hoping for a smokier effect. Okay, decided to dip back into Nice List and use that to highlight the inner corners as well as my brow bone. Also decided to apply some of the Calling Birds to the lower lash line to create some more congruency. Okay, time to line my eyes. I'm using my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen and again drawing an extended wing. As I mentioned before, wings at an upward angle do not look good with my monolid eyes. Okay, here I am taking the optional step of tracing over the liner with my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil and stash. It just softens up the entire look. Okay, time to curl those lashes using my Shiseido eyelash curler. Okay, time to give my lashes a little boost in volume using the Lancome Hypnose waterproof mascara. And here I am using the built-in blush. It's called Peach on Earth. And I'm not hating it. It's giving me a nice little rosy flush going on. Then using my Fenty Beauty highlighter for some glow. Okay, now for my favorite lip duo at the moment, my Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in 1993, and then layering on top of that, the Lancome Lip Gloss. Okay, so this is a finished look, and yes, I changed into a party-ready outfit. The earrings are from Loft, the dress is from Betsy Johnson, and just to get more into the holiday spirit, I'm going to layer on top this light-up necklace and this super cute light-up headband, both from Joanne Fabrics. So just some final thoughts about this palette. I think the performance definitely was a lot better, exceeded the other Snow Globes palette. I like this coppery shade. It's called 5 Rose Gold Rings. I think it provides a nice little like copper shimmer to a smoky eye that I could wear day to day. And this palette smells probably the best out of all of them. But I think in terms of like which color story I really like this Holiday Angel one. Like I love these frosty blues even though they really underperform, but this is a kind of like holiday color story concept I really like. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this series of makeup tutorials and have a great holiday.